Sound of intense pickleball rally ending with a perfect pop sound that feel it's different, isn't it? What if I told you that if players are using paddles that are holding them back, music fades and modern upbeat but mysterious? Today we're exposing the truth. We've spent 6 months, tested paddles from 2, and what we found will change how you play forever. One of these top paddles has a secret technology banned in pro tournaments, and we're starting with it right now. Starting at number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. When it comes to pickleball, Selkirk leads the way with its fantastic lineup of paddles, and its LUXX Control Air Invikta paddle just may be its most polished yet. At the end of the day, controlling your shot and placing the ball exactly where you want it to go reigns king, and this paddle does that best. This mid-weight paddle strikes a balance between high-tech specs and craftsmanship, featuring a slightly longer frame, 16.45 inches, and a lengthy handle, 5.35 inches, which allows for greater reach and more room to perform a two-handed backhand. The Fluorec carbon fiber face and thick 20mm honeycomb core provide the accuracy you need without compromising your ability to generate powerful shots. Having the pleasure of playing with this paddle, I just love the way that it seamlessly cuts through the air. Unlike other cheaper paddles that can create drag, this one does not. It almost feels like my reflexes are quicker when I play with it. This paddle just does it all, from its modern looks to its accurate shot placements to the power and speed it can create. There's nothing this paddle can't do. With a presence for controlled hits, each shot feels intentional, while still maximizing power. While it may lack the elite pop of others, its overall performance outshines that drawback. With its current reduced price, it's hard to beat, making it our pick for the best overall pickleball paddle. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Head's Radical Elite Paddle is the ultimate wallet-friendly pick for those who are getting pickleball fever. As far as design goes, the Radical Elite comes with a honeycomb core, a fiberglass finish, and a wide surface area to smack the ball. You also get a comfortable foam handle with a length similar to that of a tennis racket. While the Radical Elite lacked power a bit, this paddle prioritizes control while staying lightweight, so it's a great option for learning the game. You can play competitively with the Radical Elite too, but as you see yourself progressing you may want to switch to a paddle with more power. But remember, this paddle retails for around $70, when in reality it plays closer to a $100 paddle. It's such a good price that it makes for an easy pickleball gift you can give to players of all skill levels. Experts can use it as a backup paddle. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. A $250 pickleball paddle is no easy investment, but those who want premium gear will find interest in the Selkirk Power Air Epic. One of the elite models on the PPA Tour, this is one epic paddle. For starters, the Power Air has an elongated handle and stand shape that creates a generous surface area, while the handle makes it perfect for double-handed backhands. Second, the Power Air's performance is some of the most advanced. It's truly a power player's dream. Selkirk added the air opening to create faster swing speeds, as it feels like serves have some extra whip to them. A third key finding from playing with the Power Air Epic was the overall feel of the paddle. It's like holding the paddle equivalent of a Ferrari, fast, lightweight, sexy. The handle is LUXX and cushioned, and the extra wrapping near the end of the handle helps you get a more secure grip. There are no pronounced edges on the Power Air for the ball to take a weird shot off of, so there's actually a chance you get a clean return even if you connect near the edges of the paddle. The Power Air Epic is meant for serious players only, and the price tag reflects that, and the sleek design shows that you're using the best technology in the game. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. If you watch any professional pickleball events on TV, it's likely you'll notice Onix as a paddle in a few pros' hands. Onix has a wide array of paddles to choose from, but the Graphite Z5 is a trusted pick that's big on ball control and clean returns. The takeaway from the Z5 is that you get the best qualities of a graphite paddle for a price point of just under $100, which is an excellent value. Graphite is a favorite for many pros due to the material's strong design and lightweight feel, making it easy to control each shot and finesse where you want your ball to go. It plays with a well-balanced feeling in the hand. The Nomex honeycomb core seems to limit dead spots, and the paddle offers enough space to connect cleanly on most shots. The shape of the paddle gives you a sneaky amount of surface area, too. In terms of quality, the paddle has a lofty weight and powerful sweet spot, giving it a superior rating. The paddle was especially great on serves, allowing you to whip the ball over the net and get some good spin. The Z5 caters to all skill levels, but it's especially great as a beginner pickleball paddle. You won't have to upgrade from it for quite a while. Number 5. Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S. Made in collaboration with Ben Johns, who has dominated the PPA Tour for years, having won an impressive 123 title wins. This paddle is made with enhanced stability, giving you a precise shot from its charged carbon surface. Basically, it's been bond-treated for improved strength, which gives you a crisp feel during contact for improved energy return on the ball. In a nutshell, this gives you a poppier response. What helps make this one pro-level paddle is the insane propulsion core. It's designed with a patent-pending core that gives you explosive power unlike any other, on all shots, from line drives, drops, and dinks to counters. Combine that with an elongated paddle face, and you will have ample hitting surface area to make you a spin master with an enormous sweet spot, meaning fewer miss hits, too. One of the best features is that this paddle is NFC chip enabled. In a world where data is king, this allows you to access training vids based on your style of play, a community experience, and gamification, all through the Joola Connect app. This thing truly is next level. And there you have it, 5 paddles that could literally transform your game overnight. Remember, the right paddle finds you. All the exact paddles, best prices, and our exclusive discounts are waiting in the description below. Check them out now. If this guide saved you hours of research, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with your pickleball crew who need this intel, and subscribe and hit the bell, because next Tuesday we're revealing the one drill that added 15 miles per hour to my serve, and it's not what you think. Game on!